Hello everyone. So today I'll help you out with the process of logging into code.org or signing up. So first in Chrome you will go to the address bar and open code.org, and once you click on this code.org you get this page. This is the home page, and at the right hand corner you see sign up. So you will get this window, and there are various options like you can continue with Google, Microsoft or Facebook, or you can create an account. So if you want, without creating an account, you can simply continue with Google with your Gmail ID. So here I'll show you how to create an account, and once you have created, you can use your username and password to log in. So this is the sign up for code.org page where you have to put your email, password and password confirmation. So you can use any email ID. It doesn't matter that you have an existing email ID. Whatever you use here, that will be username and the respective password. So I gave this username and then I'll give the password also. So the password can be anything that you want to give. It has to be it's better to have something which is alphanumeric. Numbers and alphabets will be there together, and make sure you write the same password in password confirmation, and then you can click upon sign up. So once you click upon sign up, there will be an option which will ask whether you are a student or a teacher. So I am clicking on teacher. So as a teacher I will be accessing this account. So I'll click on teacher, and later on you have to give a code, or maybe a username, a display name that will be showed when you open the code.org account, and then you have to give an age. If you're a teacher, obviously it has to be 21 plus, so it should be more than 21. But if you're a student, then you can give any age. There is a checkbox. If you want, you can be as a parent. So student ID or student account will be monitored by a parent as well. So then after providing all the details, I'll be clicking on go to my account. So teacher, I'll be clicking on teacher. You can opt for a student account also, it's your wish. And then if you want some more information, then you can click on yes, and then click on go to my account. So this is the way it has been done. Your account is complete, and if you see, the name you want is there at the right hand side corner. So here you have so many options that you can see. I hope you like the video. Bye.